Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to watch Super Bowl 2025 in 4K. Alright friends, in this video I will show exactly how to watch it and for free, so you do not have to pay any money. You just have to go to the link that I'll leave down below in the description, and it will redirect you to this page right here, where you can watch Super Bowl for free on Tubi. And all what you need to set up is to simply sign in on Tubi, and you can watch it for free. And you should make sure that your TV is very powerful to handle the service in 4K. So this is how you can use it, and you can simply click on how to stream Super Bowl and see all the details. And here, as you can see, you can create a free account if you do not already have one. And here it tells you all the steps into how to do it and how to watch it on your TV. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.